my first costumes looked very homemade. They were kind of cute, but definitely not professional. And when I wore them, I didn't feel like a real dancer. I felt like a baby dancer playing dress up. But over the years, I discovered a few simple elements that completely changed how my costumes looked and how I felt on stage. And some of these are surprisingly simple. Like beginner simple. You can try them right now. Hi everyone, it's Mo from Sparkly Belly. We're continuing the Beginner's Guide to Belly Dance Costume Making series, and today I'll be sharing with you 3 biggest elements that transform your outfits from homemade to professional. Let's get started. Can I tell you the fastest way to spot a homemade costume? It looks like it could belong to anyone. The first element that makes your outfit look professional is that it looks custom made. Like it was created just for you. And I don't mean you need to spend $1,000 on a custom costume. I just mean it looks custom. So what actually makes a costume look custom? First, the length, especially your skirt length. In most cases, it looks best when the hem is just off the floor. Of course, everyone has their own preference. Some dancers like it shorter so they don't trip. Others like it almost grazing the floor. That's totally fine. But if the skirt is noticeably too short or too long, it can look like you borrowed it from somebody else, and that instantly feels less professional. Next is the fit. Your bra shouldn't gape. Your belt and skirt should feel nice and secure and snug. If your bra cups are gaping or your belt keeps shifting or falling, it's distracting, not just for the audience, but for you. You can't fully focus on your performance if you're worried about your costume moving. So fixing these small fit issues can instantly elevate your entire look, and I've linked tutorials below to help you with that. And finally, clean finishes. Custom outfits have neat edges, straight straps, clearly defined rhinestone lines. When I look back at my old costumes, the lines weren't defined, details got lost, and some embellishments were barely visible. The more you pay attention to these small details, the more refined and professional your costume looks. So overall, when your costume fits your body at your length with clean lines, it stops looking borrowed and starts looking intentional. And once the fit looks custom, the next thing that can live up your costume is colors. Let me confess something. When I was a very beginner dancer, I performed in a tank top and a borrowed skirt in completely different colors. And again, that's very much a beginner student outfit. Maybe matching colors is obvious. Of course, we try to match. But if you want to look professional, we have to be intentional with our colors too. An easy example is matching the color of your bra and belt. When your bra and belt are the same color, you instantly create a cohesive base. From there, you can pair almost any skirt color with it, and it still looks like a complete outfit. That's why gold or silver sets are so useful. They almost go with everything, and it's easy to match with other dancers too. Another example is matching the bra and the fitted skirt. When you do this, it creates a strong vertical line through your body, which is very slimming and elegant. In this case, the belt even becomes optional, and you can create these modern streamlined looks. And here's something you can do right now. Add matching accessories. Put on a necklace or bracelets that you already have, or make some arm accessories. What I love to do is use leftover fabric from my skirt to make armbands or accessories. I have a bunch of tutorials on arm accessories linked below. It's such a small detail, but it instantly makes the whole look feel cohesive. Designers do this all the time. They repeat elements on purpose to create a cohesive look. So the key here is repetition and harmony. When your colors connect and repeat across your costume, your outfit stops looking like a mishmash thrown together and starts looking designed. And once your fit looks custom and your colors look intentional, the final thing that elevates your outfit is this: interesting design details. So let me ask you, What's the difference between nice and wow? A nicely covered bra and a simple fitted skirt are nice. They're clean, they're safe. But when you add interesting design details, your outfit can suddenly go from no name to high brand. For example, the Dina bra. This iconic design made famous by the legendary Egyptian dancer Dina has been around for years and designers still use it today. When you incorporate this playful cutout style into your costume, it instantly signals that you understand belly dance costume design. It feels intentional, recognizable, elevated. Another powerful element is an intricately shaped belt. If you're tired of a plain boxy belt, this is a game changer. I call this design the swirly belt. The flowing curves add another layer of complexity to your movement. It feels custom, dynamic, and high-end. Or consider a fancier skirt hem. When the hem is finished with volume or decorative shaping like these, I don't even have to explain, right? The skirt looks bouncier, fuller, more dreamy. Compare that to my old plain skirt. Which one would you choose? So here's the big idea. Fit makes it look custom. Color makes it cohesive. And design details make it unforgettable. And if you're thinking, okay, Mom, I'm ready, but how do I actually make all of that? I have something exciting coming. Next week, I'm launching your first performance outfit bundle. This bundle includes 3 full courses: Dina bra from scratch, swirly belt, and advanced circle skirts. Together, they walk you through creating a complete performance outfit, all drafted to your unique measurements so everything fits you perfectly. Inside, you'll apply everything we talked about today: custom fit, intentional color planning, and elevated design details. And by the end, you won't just understand professional costume design. You have your very first full performance outfit ready to step on stage. If you want to be the first to hear about the launch and get all the details, join my newsletter at the link below. I can't wait to show you what you create. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to create a professional looking outfit of your own. And if you enjoyed this video, watch 5 mistakes that make your outfit look homemade next. These mistakes are surprisingly easy to make and even easier to fix if you know what to look for. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!